In the today's lecture, we are going to discuss about electrostatics. Electrostatics, and electro means the charge, and the static means rest. In the electrostatic, it is the branch of the physics which deal with the electric effect of the charges at the rest. We simply in this chapter, the first chapter name for the 12th standard, the electric charge and the field, we are going to discuss about the electrostatic in that. And basically, in this chapter, we are going to discuss about the what are the effects of the static charge on the other charges and what kind of field they produce, and we are going to discuss about it. And for this, we are the basic thing is electric charge. What is electric charge? Electric charge is the basic property. What is electric charge? Electric charge. It is the basic property of an material, of any material. Said that when we place the electric charge in the electric field lines, it experiences a force. That force is known as the electric force, and basically the how we are going to identify this is charge, and simply we placed in electric field lines and electric field, and if it experience any force, we simply say that it is electric charge. The charge of a material body of a particle is the property due to which it produces, yeah, the it experience the electric and the magnetic effect. It mm, basically uh, when when charge when electric charge in the motion, charge in let's suppose in the rest first, when it is rest, then it produces only electric field, electric field only electric field electric field simply. And when when the charge in motion, the first point is, second point, when the charge is in motion, it produces it produces both both electric and magnetic field, simply electric and the magnetic field around it. Simply we can demonstrate it. Let's suppose you had a positive charge, and we saw these positive charge at the around with the help of the magnetic field lines. We will more discuss these electric field lines in the next lectures. Basically, I'm just demonstrating some of the things, and these are the nothing but the electric field lines. When the charge is at rest, it produces only these are the electric field lines only. Electric field lines. Suppose that charge in motion. When the charge in motion, let's suppose it has a velocity v, then it produces a electromagnetic wave. Okay, and these when the charge in a motion, it produces these are the electromagnetic waves, and electromagnetic waves, these are the electromagnetic waves, and it produces basically electro means the charge, it has the electric field also, and it has the magnetic field also, magnetic field also. And Basically, we are going to discuss more detail in the electromagnetic chapter, uh, field, uh, and this is the electric field. This is the electric field. Basically, they are the perpendicular to each other, and both electric and magnetic field are also perpendicular to the propagation of the wave direction. And we will deal with it in the electromagnetic chapter. And by then, we all know that there are the two types of the charges. Type of charges. There are basically there are only two types of charges we till now know that in the universe. First is positive charge, and the second is negative charge. Yes, and the positive charge. If we define positive charge, what is positive charge? It is the deficiency of electrons compared to the protons. Compared compared to the protons. Compared to protons. Simply, we will discuss protons. We will discuss in more detail. First, I complete this statement. And negative, uh, when the body acquires the negative charge, what is negative charge? We simply say it is the it is the excess. It is the excess of electrons. Excess of electrons compared to protons. Compared to protons. Yes. Simply, you all know that. Let's suppose you have a body. You have a body. I will ask these. What are the fundamental unit they are made up of? They are made up of the atoms. Yeah, these are made up of atoms. There are many atoms. Yes. Basically, let's suppose this is made of the pure steel, pure iron. These are all the atoms of iron, basically. And then then let's suppose I take the single atom. Okay, single atom, and let's suppose it is a Fe atom. Then we all know that the Fe atomic number is 26. So 26 a number of the proton it single atom has, and 26 electrons it has, and basically, and in the nucleus we have the protons and the neutrons. Neutrons have no charges. Proton have the positive 26 charges, 26 positive charge, and the electrons have the 26 electrons means the negative charge is 26 negative charge, and the so basically I it is a neutral atom. Yeah, because it has the 26 positive electrons, basically protons. How much the proton charge? Proton and the electrons have the same charge but opposite in sign. Yeah, and because negative charge on the electron is nothing but 1.6 into 10 ki power minus 19 coulomb, and basically charge on proton we simply write it as a charge on proton charge is this is negative and this is positive 1.6 into 10 the power minus 19 coulomb, and basically these are numbers are equal. The numbers are equal. These much have the protons charges, and negative 26 have the due to the charge due to the electrons on it, and If we plus it, will total charge on an atom, total charge on the electron is zero. Basically this means that the single atom is neutral. Yes. So the this building block and the basically the uh, I have taken the Fe any substance, which is the whole substance is neutral. And it means the single atom are neutral, so they are made up of the atoms, number of atoms. And it means simply these uh, Fe total material is to be neutral. And most of the things that you look around you, these are all the neutral substances. Most of the they do not carry any charge. uh, if you any rub anything, yeah, if you uh, conduct anything, yeah, then they acquire the charges. We will discuss in the next lectures basically regarding that and how they are acquiring the charges. And then basically means that these Fe substance and it is neutral. And basically what happens if let's suppose an atom, let's suppose, let's take as Fe only, and uh, it have the 26 protons. Let's suppose I remove a one electron from it and removal, and then removed removed one electron, then it has only the 25 electrons. then i simply say that it has the deficiency of the electrons, so it acquire the Fe atom acquire a positive charge because it has a one extra proton in it. So it acquire the positive charge and then it become Fe positive. Yes. And basically, and all metal have the tendency, you can note it down, all all metal have the tendency to remove to acquire the positive charge. We simply to acquire the positive charge on it. Yes. And for the non-metal case, for the non-metal, they have the tendency to gain the electron to acquire the negative charge on it. You can make a point of it also. And basically, and if we deal with the non-metal and non-metal, basically they form the covalent bond in between them. And that's it for the today's lecture.